Managing finance operations manually is cumbersome and challenging. Traditional methods rely heavily on spreadsheets, demanding hours of manual effort. Despite all the hard work, the process is prone to human errors, and when the results are locked away in siloed spreadsheets, tracking discrepancies and ensuring regulatory compliance becomes a daunting task. Meet Kosh, the platform that completely automates finance operations. With Kosh, you can reduce manual effort by nearly 10 times while ensuring 100% accuracy. Kosh is highly configurable, designed to process and analyze data from any source in any format. Whether it's Excel, CSV, text or PDFs, or systems like ERPs, CRMs, payment aggregators or banks, Kosh handles it all. With Kosh, you don't just save time and effort, you also gain superior tracking, monitoring and reporting capabilities, ensuring regulatory compliance with ease. Kosh, automating your finance operations. Try Kosh AI today.